What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Skittle Fabs, and I got an unboxing from Rick Fabb's Full Throttle down in St. Petersburg, Florida. If you guys are interested in what's in this box, there's a link in the description that goes straight to Rick Fabb's Facebook or Instagram or his new YouTube channel. So if you guys want to go check his YouTube, there's a link down in the description. But let's go ahead and open this so you guys can see what the fourth mount bracket looks like. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. Now, the other day, I saw one of my buddies post up that he also bought this from Rick and a few others. There's an option, if you are still running a power steering pump, you can actually have the bracket piece of metal that sticks off. I'll post a picture right there so you can see what I'm talking about. But that is an option. So he does give hardware. There's the hardware. There we go. And then you have, wow, that is super light. Wow. I wonder what that weighs. Wow, that is really nice. I think I'm gonna go ahead and like sandblast that and powder coat it. But that thing is dope. Look at those welds. Perfect. Perfect. So, I'm assuming these 3 bolts will be here. See, they stick out a good amount. And gives you washers and bolt plus nut, which I'm assuming will be like this. There we go, you guys. Rick Fabb's PRO-LITE timing belt bracket, and it's super light compared to this thing. I really can't give you a comparison other than size. So what would you go with, that or that? Stock? Nah. There we go. So there is a comparison side by side. You got the stock OEM bracket that is just a huge hunk of metal compared to this thing. Super light. So if I was you, go with that. Don't go with Darryl Cox. And get rid of your OEM bracket. The thing's ugly as hell. Who wants that? Anybody want one? If you do, go ahead and DM me on Skittle Fabs. Go check out Rick Fabb's Instagram. Go check out his new YouTube channel. He's a beginner, just like I was from the get-go. So definitely go give him a subscribe and give him a few likes. Tell him Skittle Fabs sent you. And Rick, I really appreciate this. This thing is super, super dope. And I can't wait until this thing is actually on my motor. And then actually mount it into my engine bay. Like, oh man. So, I don't know. I think I'm going to sandblast it. And then I'm going to powder coat it. But honestly, the way it is, it's super clean. Super clean. I appreciate it, Rick. If you guys like this video, smash that like button because it just helps Rick out and it also helps out my channel. If you guys are interested in donating to my channel, at the top right of the screen, you guys will see a link that goes over to my Patreon. If you guys want to leave a donation, that's totally up to you guys. It just helps you guys get more content out of my channel, whether it is new parts or it is just things I need to go ahead and get things done. Yeah, I got my big turbo over there. I got my braided lines that I'm going to be doing some stuff with real soon. Also be getting a brand new canister to show you guys how to modify your 255 or your 450 wall burrow. This is a 255 modified canister, but it's been sitting around for a long time, so these things are like super rock hard. And I don't think my wall burrow 255 is good anymore. And I went to Indie Auto Parts yesterday and I ordered more braided line, but I didn't go with the stainless steel. I went with the black nylon. Alright, I just picked up my 10 feet and my 20 footer of black nylon hose. So this is negative 6 AN. Thanks to Indie Auto Parts. Stay tuned for the build of my 450 wall burrow in my brand new canister that I gotta go ahead and order in a little while. And then I gotta get to work because I work that 3 to 11:30 shift. So hopefully I can get this video out by tomorrow, which is Thursday. So smash that like button. Thank you, Rick Fabbs. It's a beautiful mount bracket. Can't be any more pleased than that, yo. So again, until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace.